Hello everyone, hope you're extremely well. This is Hugo van Biljon, founder and CEO of FinMeUp. So let's have a look at this crazy high growth stock that has really caught my attention and interest, and I really like this company. So it's called C Limited. So C Limited was previously known as Garena, if I pronounce it correctly, and it was founded in 2009. It is now mainly operating in Southeast Asia, and it started as an online gaming platform and social platform, but quickly diversified into gaming, e-commerce, and financial services. So in the gaming industry, they have the company called Garena with a few amazing games, of which I believe the biggest is Free Fire. We'll get into that just now. Then the e-commerce side, they have Shopee, and the financial services side, they have AirPay, and AirPay is now known as C Money. So C Limited share price is currently trading at $142, a market cap of $67 billion, and a year-to-date performance of a crazy 255% increase, which is massive. The reason for that amazing performance in the share price the past year is due to the acceleration of digitalization and more people playing games, more people shopping online, more people using Fintech, and they are just perfectly aligned for what's going on in the world. So the gaming side, Garena, generated $716 million in sales, up 62% from the previous year, with 500 million active users in the last quarter, which is massive. They also recently launched an app named Booyah, which allows users to stream live mobile games, perfectly complementing their gaming platform. And their biggest game, like I said, is Free Fire, and it's an absolute diamond. It's some competition for the likes of Fortnite, and it's really growing massively. So then on the e-commerce side, they have Shopee, and Shopee has seen revenue increase by 188% year on year, which could be attributed to what happened this year as people continue to shift more online for their shopping, staying at homes, buying online. The e-commerce side is currently loss generating, but the increase in revenue shows it's just a matter of time until the side of the company is established with plenty of untapped growth in the e-commerce market, especially in Southeast Asia. So a good company to compare the e-commerce side with is Amazon. Amazon was loss-making for how many years, just continuously gaining market share and expanding to make sure they are in the market, and this is what C is doing now with their e-commerce side. Now C Money, the fintech side, is a new division to the company, but it is growing at a rapid rate. I mean, if you can just go and type in C Money news or anything about that, and you'll just see how people in Southeast Asia and especially Indonesia are really liking this product and the service, and it's growing at a rapid rate. So gaming and e-commerce all need e-payment systems and solutions, and that is where C Money comes in. So this whole integration of all their systems and products are actually perfectly aligned to complement each other to grow. C Money is being integrated into Shopee and Garena. So this whole system is just working perfectly for them, and it's a phenomenal company in my opinion. The only risk is that the expansion into the different fields is being funded mostly by their ever popular gaming platform, which could result in a lack of income if the popularity of the games fade. Personally, I'm not worried about this. Otherwise, I can't really see big risks. They are managed very well. They are expanding. They are growing the market share. They are growing revenues. They are in the perfect industries for future growth. And JP Morgan recently raised their target price for C to $184. So let's not forget the current share price is $142. So JP Morgan raised their target price to $184 due to the situation in India, where a lot of Chinese games are being banned in India. And Free Fire is a diamond for C Limited. Their games are now the demand is going to increase rapidly. So, like I said, the three industries that they're operating in are industries that will continue to grow for at least the next decade, if not ever, because e-commerce, gaming, and fintech, those are three industries that are just growing so fast. Remember, this is a high growth stock. So they are growing, showing a massive growth in their revenues, as you can see in the financials. But it's just take it with, there's going to be volatility, like with any high growth stock. So any big falls or declines in the share price will lead me to really be attracted to add more to my position. So getting to my personal position and opinion, the more I get to understand this company and the deeper I dive, the more I like it. The management team is still young, but extremely good, and they've shown how they can execute in all three industries. And that is not an easy thing to do. So I'm really impressed by the management. I think this company has a lot of potential for growth over the long term. And I started buying shares in C Limited and will probably continue to do so unless the fundamentals change. But I think all the capital that they make now, they are reinvesting to make sure this company grows, gains market share. And that is what I like to see about this company. So I'm a shareholder of C Limited and will continue to add to my position as time goes on unless the fundamentals change. And I really find this company interesting and see a lot of potential. If you find this useful and if you like it, please consider subscribing and liking this and sharing this with your friends to reach more people. And I hope you have a blessed day. Check out FinMeUp stock picks, where we'll cover more companies like C Money and high growth stocks that we like. So just stay tuned for that, and remember to continuously look out for podcasts and stock picks on the FinMeUp app. Have a blessed day, and let us know what you think about C Limited. Do you see potential? Have you researched them? If not, it's probably a good thing to do, because remember, always do your own research. This is not financial advice. This is our opinion and our research. But personally, I really like this company. Have a blessed day. Cheers.